What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. These are the Meta RayBan display glasses, and if you've seen videos and you've heard people talk about these glasses, they talk about the neural wristband that allows you to control these glasses. You can do these gestures, pinch like that, and it will show my home screen. I can pinch like this and it'll turn the display off that I see. I can pinch like this to select. You can twist and turn and do all these different things. But you can actually also use these glasses independently of the wristband. You can still basically do everything that you want to do with the glasses if your wristband is on or off. It doesn't matter, it'll still work because you have this thing right here, which is this, and you can feel it, it's very tactile. It's this little line right here that will allow you to control your glasses. There's all kinds of different gestures that allow you to control your glasses. So let's get into it. So the first one is gonna be to wake and put to sleep your display. So all you're gonna do is take two fingers and we're gonna go like this, tap twice, I can see my display, and I can tap again, twice, and it goes away. Really cool. The other two finger one is when you have your display on, or off, it doesn't matter, you can just swipe forward with two displays or swipe back to lower the volume. So you can swipe up again with two fingers to raise the volume, or swipe back with the two fingers to lower the volume. Really cool, really easy to do. And again, regardless of the display's on or off, using those two fingers to swipe forward or back will raise the volume. If you wanna go home, all you gotta do is tap with two fingers and it will bring you home. And that's basically where your notifications are, the Ask Meta page, all that stuff. Now I have my display on. If I use one finger, this allows me to navigate what I am seeing. I can swipe left or right to swipe through the different menus, or I can swipe up or down to navigate. Swipe to the side, whatever I want to do. It allows me to do that, and I can easily go to what I want to. All with just one finger, up, down, left, or right, will navigate through the menus, will navigate through the apps, and control it, just like I would if I was using the gesture on my thumb with the neural wristband. It does the same exact thing with this right here, because this is fully gestured out, up, down, left, or right. And if I want to see something, all I'm going to do is just tap on it, and I'm able to select it. So up, down, left, right with one finger, and then press on it once to tap on it, and that will allow you to select what you have. Another cool one finger trick is you can either bring up Meta by asking for it with your voice, but you can also do it with one finger. If I press and hold right here, what time is it?
It's 1:29 p.m.
So it gives me the time, it activates Meta just by pressing and holding on right there. If you're looking at your notifications, you can swipe them away. Like while you're reading the notification, I can swipe it away and it will go away. Really, really cool and really easy to do. So there you go. Those are just the basics of what you can do with the gestures on the side of the Meta RayBan display glasses. If you want to pick these up, they're linked down below. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.